in the morning. We gonna do a little something different this morning. Me and Pops are gonna fish. We ain't fished in a year and a half together. So we're gonna head over here to Jackson. It is raining at the moment. I think we got about a good hour break after about 8:15. See if we can catch a few bream. Where we fishing at, like I said, ain't about 5-6 minutes from the boat ramp. Stay tuned. Let's see what we can do. I met Diddy at the gas station this morning. He said, "Hell, it's raining so hard, I don't know if I'm about to go fishing." Well, I done drove an hour. I'm going fishing. I'm gonna wait it out. I'll put the top up and we'll try it in between showers. So we'll see. We headed to the boat ramp now. Stay tuned.
What you got right there? GoPro?
Oh, you fishing? I was on the bank too, wasn't it?
Yeah, right there off mine. Right there. Right there.
I'm gonna go fish. I brought you fishing, boy. I gotta get me something. Hold my crickets up here.
There's another baby right there. It's not good. Dang. Roll over there and bring it back to it. There you go, you're close enough.
Something more beds, dude.
Huh?
Damn nice, huh?
Yeah.
More beds.
Yeah.
Right on that road, right where we supposed to be coming.
What kind of line is this? Braid line?
You know, it's like a high view. Baby.
Yeah.
Beds all up and down that bank there.
I never would have thought it'd been 70-something degrees in August. I see a lot of people fishing the lake. They don't catch near as big as stripers that we used to catch.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I didn't even see that, Lynn. That's one reason the lake stays so muddy, because they're cutting all that timber.
Mm-hmm.
He's peeing too. Peeing all over me. That's that copperhead. Did you see his copperhead?
Yeah.
That copper band.
Okay.
That's a small one, huh?
Yeah.
That creek runs up in there pretty good ways, but so do them mosquitoes.
Yeah, I bet.
Caught some nice shellcrack in there one day. But, I mean, there'd be 10 or 15 mosquitoes on you at one time. So, man, this ain't even worth it right here.
Yeah.
I ain't been back in there since. Another nice one. Come on now.
Yeah, that's pretty nice now. That's blueberry, ain't it?
Copperhead.
Copperhead.
Right in that same hole. Zach loves fishing with these worms.
Really? Yeah. Little Jamie, he baiting you through already?
Oh yeah. These crickets usually bad about jumping out so bad, so he'll sit right there and catch them, and hand them to me.
Yeah.
You stick your hand in there, they'll jump on your hand and jump out.
You're right, yeah.
See that worm? That green stuff off that worm?
What worm you got?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is that?
I guess they die 'em. That whole side's shallow. As tall as them banks are, this has got to be the old river. Well, for it to be Georgia too. I guess when they done the original map. Oh baby.
Yeah.
It's beds all up and down that bank though. What you didn't call it? 4 or 5? That was 5 for you, wasn't it? I like it got messed up. I took the kids to Columbia, and those rapids up there are class 4. So we went kayaking, and the guy's like, the first that first rapid right there, he said that's a rock ledge. He said if you don't hit it right, you'll flip. I think Kayla and Larissa might have been the only ones that hit it right. Everybody else flipped. I'll pull over there and get it. But I ain't had no life jacket on. Zach's over there just screaming his damn heart out. So I tried to get him and push him to the bank in that damn current. By the time I got him about 4 foot from the bank, I was like, hell, I ought to better stand up now. Wrong. And I done got tired. So, oh, hell. Went to my back, went to floating, caught my breath. You ain't gonna worry about that happening again.
I know, I gotta put that damn live aid on. Anytime you play like that, where if you think you did it or not, you know?
Well, the rest of the, once you got past that, the rest of the river was 3 foot deep.
Still.
You know.
So, you drowning in 2 foot of water, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Jamie ain't got no fear of nothing right now. You know, they say them sturgeon are in here too.
What was that? Can you tell what it was?
I couldn't tell. They'll jump all day long.
And cod and shit.
Usually the guard, they just bust the water. Whatever this is, they come all the way out the water. Like a sturgeon. Yeah, I think they bite butt on a sunny day. I figured today would have turned them on being cloudy. We could smell them last time, but we just never did find them.
Yeah.
We'd pick up, you know, here and there, but I think we ended up with 41 that day, but it was, the wind, it was blowing out. We smell them, and we tried to turn around and come back. I wonder if they was in this treetop somewhere. And then we never could locate them again. Might get another whiff of them. Guess I need to put those lights on the boat and come in here and thin the herd a little bit. Old bream. I set my pole down. It's gonna come out there and get my drink. And he took off with it.
One that hit line.
I know, I seen you looked away. I think it was a bass. No, he broke me off.
Huh?
He broke me off. I think right here is where you can see where it come out of that. It went in right here and it runs all the way back around. we came and we tried. We ended up with 10 nice ones. The rain's moving in. I knew we had about an hour, hour and a half before that next band hit us, so we fished. They didn't hit like I thought they would with the overcast, so a little disappointing there, but as always, next time. Jackson boat ramp. Water is dropping. Good times. I ain't fished with my dad in about a year and a half, so it's all worth it. I appreciate y'all watching.